There are a few settings in Google Classroom that you may want to consider using, so let's take a second and look at those. So when you're in your Google Classroom, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see this gear button. If you press this, it brings up your class settings. The first section is class details, so this is the name for your course. Class description, the same as the one in your syllabus, the section that you are teaching. If you scroll down, you'll come to this section marked General. And the things to pay attention to here are the setting for stream. So what this is it determines on your home page that stream, which we've already seen, you can post announcements there and it'll notify all of your students. You can choose whether or not you would like students to also be able to post things to the stream, and whether or not you would like students to be able to make comments about things that you post, or if you've allowed them to also post things, comments on what each other post. And so the options, if we drop down this caret for stream, you can see three options. Students can post and comment, so students can post things to the stream and they can comment on things that you and other students post. Students can only comment. This means students can't post new items to the stream, but they can comment, for instance, on announcements that you make. Or only teachers can post or comment. This prevents students from interacting with the stream at all. I'd encourage you to try out these different settings and see what works best for you. It can be nice to increase the interactivity of your course by allowing students, for instance, to comment on posts that you make in the stream. The next thing to think about is classwork on the stream. My preference is to set this to hide notifications, because what this is it determines whether or not, when you make changes to an assignment or to classwork, whether or not it generates an automatic announcement on the stream. I tend to change things around a lot in my Google Classrooms, and so I don't necessarily want it generating a new announcement every single time I post a new reading or every time I change an assignment, because my students know that all of the things in the classwork page are organized by the date of class anyway. So that's where they tend to find the actual content. They don't need a notification when I post something new. But you can also pick Show Condensed Notifications, so it basically just shows the title of things that you change anytime you change or add something, or Show Attachments and Details. This posts the entire item that you have created or changed. Show Deleted Items. This determines whether or not you can see things that you and others have posted and then deleted. We'll save this grading section for a later video about grading, so bookmark this because we'll come back to it.